Sydney, Australia.
Sydney! We are staying in the Wake Up Hostel and we are just going on a walking tour, which is free with the hostel. So yeah, we're just going to be walking all around Sydney and going and seeing some cool spots and then grabbing some lunch. So yeah, it's a beautiful day for it. So we're going to show you some of the best things to see in Sydney.
707, want to say hi to the tube.
So this is the memorial for the war and it's absolutely beautiful. Stunning. And this is the first stop, and then I know that this is like around a 2 hour walk around Sydney, and then yeah, we're gonna get some lunch. And this is all free, by the way. This is something that the Wake Up Hostel do, and they also do like a lot of other tours and stuff as well. So now we're walking through Hyde Park. This is named after Hyde Park.
Chloe loves trees.
In London, I do love a tree.
Chloe loves a tree.
It's absolutely beautiful. And it just looks so much like the UK. Do you not think? Like parts of Sydney look so much like the UK. We was walking the other night.
Probably is because it's part of the Commonwealth and we did colonise them.
Yeah, we was walking the other day and it literally just reminded me of Nottingham because they have trams and everything like that. But this is, yeah, beautiful. And it's Hyde Park, named after Hyde Park in London.
Aussie pigeons.
Wow, this church is absolutely beautiful though. Look how beautiful this is.
The Westfield Tower.
Penis. Can't take him anywhere.
Westfield Tower, guys.
Right there. Next stop, I'm going in the library.
Right, guys, we're going to the library.
The sun has come out. It's very, very hot now. But not complaining.
There is a bus. There's one past.
Randomly come to the library.
It's like Monsters University.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't it?
Okay. Yeah, so this is the library, and it looks like, if anyone's watched Monsters University, take a look at this. Wow. You can just imagine with like the stairs and like the big monster, and if you wake her up, you can see why this place is.
Where it's based from.
This is crazy. I've never seen a library like this before. Wow. This is no basic library, and it smells amazing, and obviously it is a tourist attraction because we've stopped here. I'm guessing anyone can come and work here. I'm blown away by this. How cute. I just noticed that up these stairs there's these like little ants carrying books upstairs. So there is actually Pride this weekend, which we didn't actually realise, so we are going to be going to Pride, and it's a really big thing. I think probably one of the biggest prides in the world. So yeah, this is all haunted with Pride. I literally can't wait for Pride tomorrow. First Pride, it'll be amazing.
Friends and family's reactions, and the changes for the better or worse, which have taken place since the 50s.
Next up, we're at the flower garden. It's absolutely stunning. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Everything looks better in the sun as well. Look how beautiful. I've made up my mind, moving to Sydney. It's absolutely stunning. You're just walking through these gardens and it's just so beautiful.
They're like massive green beans. Look.
Whoa! Get in it, see what it looks like. Go on.
Oh.
What is it? Does it smell nice? I'm not sure what it smells. This reminds me of London, being in the city. coming and having a little picnic.
Oh, the Harbour Bridge.
And the Harbour Bridge in the distance, and the Opera House in the distance. So yesterday we went to go see the Opera House, but we was on the other side, I think. We haven't actually seen this bit yet. But a very good way to tour the city for free with the hostel, and the hostel's really good. What do you rate the hostel? It's good, isn't it? Very good. So we've just come out of the gardens, and now we're on this side. I know that when we went to the Opera House yesterday, we was on the other side, we stood outside, we got the tram there. The water looks a bit choppy, but very, very, very beautiful. We have come to the Opera House. It's also very bright. Here we are, here it is in all of its glory. We did come yesterday, not gonna lie, but yesterday was a little bit cloudy and we was just having a bit of a mooch about yesterday, but it definitely looks a lot better today because the sun is out and we've come a different way. Absolutely stunning. What do you think?
Very uproary, isn't it?
Yeah, and yesterday we went to Manly, which is like the other side of Sydney. You have to get a boat there, so
North Sydney.
Yeah, North Sydney. So we ended up going to Manly yesterday, a little spontaneous trip, and the boat was actually really cheap. I think it's literally like $2.50 or something. So yeah, we went to Manly yesterday, which was very nice. But yeah, all of these ferries go to Manly. So after me and Jacob's just made a funny TikTok, you'll have to go onto my TikTok. I'll put my TikTok at the bottom of the screen. Made some funny old TikToks, but yeah, beautiful day. And we've been here twice now, and every time there's a different ship, and this is the Princess Cruises, and it's absolutely
huge.
It's huge.
Huge, man.
Huge. It's massive. So yeah, we are going to spend. We've got to meet back up at 1:20 because like we're on the little tour thing. So it's 10 past, so we've got 10 minutes, and then we're all going to go for lunch, and then we're going to walk back through the city to go back to the hostel. So yeah, and then Pride is tomorrow. So excited. Never been to a Pride before, and Sydney's obviously got one of the biggest prides, I think, in the world. So Jacob's going to tell you how much he paid for a pint down here. So when you come to the Opera House, they have this bit by the water where there's a bar and restaurant. How much
Cheap,
did you pay?
really cheap. So 2 pints of Asahi was $38. So like £10 a pint.
Yeah.
So yeah, nice and cheap. I had about 10 because it was thirsty.
Budget friendly, backpacker friendly. But yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. And I didn't realise as well, I don't think you'll be able to see, but basically at the top of the bridge, there's loads of people, and you can actually pay to climb up. Either for, I know you can do it for sunset. I don't know if you can do it for sunrise, but you can pay to basically walk over, because I don't think you can actually like walk over the bridge.
Like, she's like, can you come back like me and Harry to like a nice fit Australian version of it?
It's Harry Styles. Harry Styles is in Australia. And I hope he's at Pride. Lunch break. We've come to a Dining Australia Square, basically a food court. And they've got like Mexican, loads of different food, so we're going to spend a bit of time here, grab some lunch because we are starving. Oh, there's a pigeon in here. I don't know how long we've been walking for. I put my Apple Watch on. We've been walking for like 2.5 hours, 3 hours. Yeah, and then we're going to walk back again. My feet are killing me because I'm still wearing in my Birkenstocks, but yeah, they have salad here and everything, so we're going to get some lunch. So we've come to this place. I don't actually know the name of it, but I've gone for a barbecue brisket, like a barbecue mushroom brisket bowl, and everything looks really nice. Everything looks really healthy. I think Jacob's gone for a burrito bowl. There's Mexican, there's Vietnamese. But yeah, that's what we've gone for. This looks so good. Amazing. We have finished our walking tour now. We're just heading back to the hostel. It's actually quite a long way away. We should have probably got the tram. It's about a 30-minute walk from where we had lunch. So yeah, we're gonna end the video here. Hope that you have enjoyed coming with us on our little Sydney tour. Make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.